Brand new and up to date. This is the forum Products and News at REHACARE. This means on all 4 days of the trade fair, the stage is set for the exhibitors and their latest products. We are very happy to present ourselves at REHACARE at this forum because it is bright, because, and we are architects, it is transparent and because it offers a wonderful platform for communication. Well proven, but for the first time with a new name, TREFFPUNKT REHACARE welcomes visitors this year to numerous lectures and panel discussions. It is worthwhile for exhibitors to be represented at Products and News, because here the exhibitor has the opportunity not only to display his novelties and innovations to a large audience, but also to explain them. So, in the expert forums, everyone will find something they are interested in. REHACARE is the leading trade fair for accessible construction, for people with reduced mobility, for mobility aids. It is the European trade fair that reflects the market best.